cause you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this wig. Very simple, not complicated. You don't need 360 lace cap or any complicated cap. You just need an ordinary cap. Okay, so this style is good for those people who can't deal with baby hair, lace. They can't blend their lace with their skin tone, so you can just wear this, make this, wear this, or you can buy it from me if you want to. If you can't make it, if you learn something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the cap that I'm going to use. I rarely use this type of caps to make my wigs, but I have specific styles like this one that I used on this cap. So because when you sew on this cap or when you use glue on this cap, they can reduce the size, the wig won't fit. In today's tutorial, I'm first of all going to sew the braids together and then sew them on the cap that I'd shown you earlier. So I'm just using this cap to sketch the shape of my head on this block. After I sketch the shape of my head, I remove the cap and I'm going to sew my braids along this line. There's a tutorial I shared with you on how to make these braids. I'll put a link in the description box down below just in case you haven't watched it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin my braids down and then sew them together.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, or toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. Us together, we're better off, better off, better off, better off.
When you're sewing the braids together, just be careful not to sew them look. So I'm going to take my braids and sew them on this cap. And then I'm not going to sew like on the entire cap. I'm going to sew on the hairline, in the middle, and at the back, because I don't want to reduce the size of my cap.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch.
So guys, here is our wig, and it's very light. So what I did, I saw the cap on the hairline, in the middle, and at the back. So you're not supposed to sew the hair like on the entire cap, because it will reduce the size of the cap. Like the cap won't fit. Let me just show you with this this other wig. So this is my other wig. I've just sewn like on the hairline and in the middle, and then this part at the back I sew it on the cap. The reason why I didn't sew them here is because I didn't want to reduce the size of my cap. Yeah, and you also don't need a band with this wig. You don't need a band. Let me just wear this first so you see how it looks on me.
Until you break down.
So this wig is good for those people who can't wear lace wigs. If you can't manage your lace wig, if you can't style your baby hair, so you can go for this style or for this wig. So this how it looks at the back. So with this cap it will just work. You don't even need a band, but you need combs. So combs on the sides. I've not sewn on this one, I will sew on it. So I'll also sew these two combs on these, on the sides and at the back. Yeah. So let's just try it on. And it's very light. So but then just sew combs on it to make it more secure on your head. This is how it looks. So what you're going to do, you're going to arrange the tips of the braids on your forehead like that, and like that, and then you can push it behind a little to make it look natural, like that. And then now what you're going to do, you're going to direct your tips, the tips of the braids. So for this side, I'm going to direct the tips of my braids towards this direction, and this one's like this. Nowadays my face has pimples because I've just been eating a lot of avocados, eggs, cheese. Just direct them. Direct the tips of the braids like that, and then this side as well. With these small braids you have to be careful. I advise you to use this size, or this for this other wig, or this one they won't overlap, but for this one if you're not careful the braids might overlap. And then again, if you make the wig and you feel like they're overlapping, you can just cut one on the sides or two and pull the wig like this, and then it will fit. Okay, but still I advise you to use bigger braids. Guys, just comment below if you've seen someone with this hairstyle. Like here in my country, so many ladies wear this, especially those ladies who don't have hairline. They prefer these. Yeah. So guys, this is why I always want to use a mirror when I'm recording. So for the previous clips, I noticed this part was not even in the middle, like it has not followed the shape of my hairline, so I've just like adjusted it, and I think that is okay. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.